Hello everyone and welcome to this week's episode of FinTech on Fridays. My name is Pooja and I am a Solutions Manager at Finsight. Today we are going to talk about the implementation step of design thinking and how it works for Finsight. Implementing IT projects is a complex process and requires collaboration with many departments. Scrum focuses on the ability to be flexible and agile in software development. This means frequent adjustments to your project plans, quick releases, early prototyping, and simultaneous testing. This is where design thinking really contributes to the implementation process. Traditionally, the implementation stage has following tasks: setting up your IT infrastructure, building the interface, establishing quality assurance, testing, and the delivery. In this process, you communicate with several departments, including IT, data providers, UX/UI teams, system engineers, and the stakeholders. So, how does design thinking help the development team? In the first two steps of design thinking, understand and ideation, rapid prototyping is done, and the concept is refined to a great extent. This results in a well-tested prototype which already describes the most important aspects of the customer journey. It also helps to understand the limitations, behaviors, and the details of the system early on. This guides the development team to develop the concept with better visualization, quality, and clarity. Secondly, how it helps the stakeholders. Early prototyping and testing also mean that there are no surprises for the stakeholders. They get to visualize what they want much earlier, and in the implementation phase, basically, what they see is what they get. Lastly, how it helps the product user or customer. Since design thinking includes usability tests in the implementation phase, it becomes easier to develop the solution keeping user experience in mind. It already helps to identify the pain points or problem areas for the users and helps to solve them faster and earlier during the implementation. In a nutshell, design thinking helps the implementation phase in the following ways. Design thinking helps to shift the focus on customer journey and experience in IT solutions. It helps recognizing the problems early on, thus helping to build a high-quality product. And finally, it helps bringing innovative outcomes to products, planning, and strategies. That was it for today. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels, leave us a comment, or share the video. See you next time here on FinTech on Fridays.